Every Kid Healthy Week at UW Extension Foodwise. I'm Claire, a Healthy Communities Coordinator, and today we're going to be making a healthy yogurt dip. Okay, for our yogurt dip, we're going to use some plain yogurt, a few shakes of pepper, a pinch of salt, whatever herbs or spices that you like in your yogurt dip around. I've got some dried oregano, but if you have parsley or basil, feel free to throw that in. Then, a little pinch of garlic powder. So I put about a half cup of yogurt in this bowl. Now we're going to measure about a quarter teaspoon of dried herbs. I've cut up a green onion here. We're going to put that in too. Let's do just a pinch of garlic powder, a pinch of salt, and a few cracks of pepper. Take a look at that. Any veggies that you have in the fridge can work for this yogurt dip. I had some red cabbage, carrot, and cucumber. So I've chopped them all onto this plate, and ta-da! You've got a snack for your whole family.